we go. What's up, jesters? It's your boy the JamminJester here, back today with another video, and in this video we are playing Buckshot Roulette, a game I have been waiting to play for so long, and I finally got it on Steam, and today I'm playing it for the first time, or well, second time now. I made a video on it, but my audio wasn't working for some reason, and here we go. I played before, I enjoyed it, and before we get into this and blast my way through hell, I'm gonna play Russian roulette with a 12-gauge shotgun. Be sure to absolutely jam that like button, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified for more jamming content, and let's jam on. Oh. Excuse me there, mate.
Please sign the waiver.
Alright, let's do this.
One live, two blanks.
One live round, two blanks.
I insert the shells in an unknown order.
I know this usually never goes well, but hey. What do you know? Highly doubt it. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Hit, shoot me.
Careful now. Three live, two blanks. They enter the chamber in a hidden sequence.
Alright. Screw it. Yeah. No. Oh. I actually covered my eyes there. I couldn't bear it. Come on. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. It was two live, right? Well, he just... I'll take that.
Let's make this a little more interesting. 2 items each. More items before every load.
Pack of ciggies. Sweet, and a hand. What do you get?
One live, one blank.
Let's make this a bit interesting now. It's 50-50 here. Don't need rocket science to know that I've lost. Shoot me. He's completely unfazed. But God. He killed God.
2 live, 2 blanks.
I didn't use this time to prep. He's probably gonna use the magnifying glass.
Very interesting.
I'm dead. I'm dead. No? He's gonna use it again. It's alive this time, so he's probably gonna use his knife. Yep, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. It's over. It is over. It's cooked. I'm cooked. I am cooked.
Careful now.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I am cooked. It's not my turn. I'm cooked. I'm dead. Hit me. Oh, you're lucky it left you with a charge. Get up, Jammin. The night is young. Well, that happened. Thanks for saving me, buddy. Thanks for saving me, bro. Alright, let's go around.
Welcome back.
Alright. Just gonna give me this time a knife and some handcuffs. Did not know you swung that way. Getting going 50-50 here. Coin flip. To successfully shoot yourself with a blank facing 50-50 odds. Bang. Siggy's handcuffs. What do you get? Siggy's and some handcuffs. 2 live, 2 blank. This is where I got caught off guard last time. So I don't want to risk it here. He's got Siggy's. He's gonna heal himself, so want to do as much damage as possible. Let's waste this turn again. That's my 2 lives out of the way. I'm cooked now. He's gonna obviously handcuff me. He's gonna use this time to heal. Then he's going to shoot me and then shoot me again. Taking 2 lives off me. Oh. Idiot. Just wasted your turn. Waste of a life if I'm being honest. You gonna shoot yourself again? Oh, you finally connect 2 and 2 together. You do know I can just heal, right? Give me a idiot. Things are starting to get a little spicy. Let's make this a bit more interesting, shall we? Take one of these. Don't smoke, kids. It does not heal you. It just gives you lung cancer. Boom! Down for the count. Feeling cocky, are we? 1 live down. Another live. That's just blanks now. It's just blanks now, buddy. It's blanks now. You wasted all 3. Good job, idiot. Get me out. What did you get? Ooh, things are starting to get a little even number. Let's use this bad boy. There you go. Bang. I'm just too good. Aw, what's wrong, dealer? You losing? Like a widow baby? Come on, step it up. Time to cut them defibrillators.
Long last, we arrive at the final showdown. No more defibrillators, no more blood transfusions. Now me and you, we are dancing on the edge of life and death.
I don't care. Makes the game a bit more interesting. Do this. Always gotta stay hydrated.
4 items each.
Alright. Knife. Beer. You can never have too much alcohol. Ism. Now.
You know the drill.
Indeed I do. Use on myself. Since it's my turn again, use on myself again. Since I got rid of the live. Another pair of handcuffs. That's a lot of good items. Guess fortune favors the bold. Alright, use this first. There you go. Now. How do you like that, dealer? Obviously cooked. one's obviously alive. Next one's obviously alive, so...
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Is my question. You can't do anything now. You're cooked. What's that gonna do? That does nothing for you. Unless... Last time I played, I got shot. I killed like twice. Still died. Shoot yourself. Like... Ciggies, beer, and a magnifying glass. Another pair of handcuffs. Make this one count. 4 lives, 2 blanks. First one going off from the net. Have a little smoke. Damn money. There you go. Did I win? Did I win? Yes! Let's go! Beat that dealer. Time to bring me my money. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's a lot of fitties. Taking the shotgun with me, lovely. Congratulations, Jammin. Jesus. Okay, so 17 shots fired, 40 shells ejected, 4 doors kicked, 2 cigarettes smoked, and I drank 990 milliliters of beer. I got 64,075. That's not bad. Anyway, I beat the game. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to absolutely jam that like button, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified for more jamming content, and I shall see you in the next video. Any button to exit.
Double or nothing unlocked.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, and I'll check out the double or nothing in the next video. Buckshot Roulette video.